Are you looking for something a little bit more civilian, man?
Civilian?
You want to go and shoot
Is
some
it a
stuff with your
Humvee?
cannon?
It's a FJ43.
It's a pickup. Yeah,
Toyota.
yeah. It is a Toyota pickup.
Is
Used
it
in guerrilla wars.
Guerrilla.
Yep, in Africa. Used in Iraq by the Peshmerga.
Peshmerga.
I don't know if I can say that. The Lebanese People's Liberation Army in the 80s as well.
Yep.
And this is also a private car in Italy in the 10s that you can make it as.
There you go.
There you go. This
Lots
is a
of
cool
them.
kit.
What do you like? Who makes this? AK?
AK models.
Do we have much of AK stuff in?
We've got a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a little bit. It's a nice model.
You hand select it.
I did.
I can see that somebody's they've got to a zebra, and this is proving to be quite a feat. They've got to a zebra and they've upholstered the seats with it.
Yeah, Africa.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you reckon it's real zebra or it's just a faux one? My first car had cow car seat covers.
Did it cow?
Yeah, cow.
I want a foxtail for my antenna.
Yeah, I had
Love a
cow
foxtail.
car seat covers front and rear.
Beautiful.
Oh,
Let's
what?
go back over here and do a really quick unboxing.
Yeah,
there you
come on,
go,
taste
zebra.
the- There's a zebra for the
There's
seat.
the zebras.
It's not real zebra.
Not
This
this
isn't.
one. Not this one.
Water slide.
This is a water slide as well. Yeah,
Mm.
yeah.
On
Very,
the
very
seats.
nice.
Weighted wheels, of course.
Weighted wheels, no, but
Piece.
multi-pieced wheels, different treads, everything depending on
Which livery?
country. Yeah, you got steelies and everything, all different types of
Some mag wheels.
rims. Yeah, you got all your sub frames, your suspension down here.
I love that they give you options.
Yeah, clear parts if you want to put the windscreen in, all your headlights and whatnot. What's this? Your jack.
Yeah, when you get a flat.
There's your bazooka. Big bazooka.
Jack A might like to build this.
I think he would. He's done the other one.
Hey?
Yeah, it's got the seats and stuff, man. It's
He's
pretty
done the
cool.
Land Cruiser or the one with like a tank turret on it.
Yeah,
Something,
yeah, it's got a BMP turret on it. Got your sidewalls down here for the chassis, gearbox, engine detail. Yeah, proving really, really cool. Bonnet, grills, doors.
And the synonymous FJ front grille.
Yeah,
Hey, Toyotas. They're probably still going now, known Toyotas.
probably.
What do you reckon?
Probably 600,000 kilometers and up. There you go. Got a bit of orange there. Got your red scheme in Italy.
What do they list the paints in here? AK.
AK. They're going to be listed as AK, but you can use other colors. You just color match.
Color match.
Come in and ask me what you need, and I'll let you know. How's that sound?
Got the answers.
I've got all the answers, and none at all. Depends what
You know what's up.
I know what's down. That's for sure.
That's right.
Yeah. There you go. I thought I'd quickly just have a look at this one.
Bit of niche stuff.
Bit of niche. That's not the nichest thing I've got though.
You've got another niche thing.
I've got the nichest thing,
It's not-
which is why I got that.
Holy
Actually.
moly.
Really impaled.